Joe. You gotta get some of this.
Probably using the same fork I use, so you and I basically are gay because we kissed right now. Where's Sarah? Making more cash? She's setting up.
Gotta send all my bitches up to make cash.
She's standing back out, Joe.
Focus on your breathing.
What'd she do with her Woody? Brings it to death.
How far apart are the contraction?
See, that's how you get ready to hiccup. YouTube.